I didn't plan it, you know that. I didn't mean to hurt you, darling. I wasn't ready, we both weren't.
So there I was, just chilling, sitting in my chair, and then I was thinking of a YouTube idea, and it hit me. How to get 100 subscribers in 2018. Yes, there are thousands upon thousands of videos showing this, but they're all the exact same. Create unique videos, upload regularly, be yourself, use tags, create good thumbnail pictures, title it kind of clickbaity, but no, that's not. Like, I've been doing that for fucking ages and it hasn't really helped that much. But when it comes to getting 100 subscribers, you've got to remember, no one knows you. It's harsh, but that's reality. No one really knows me and I'm at 1,000. It just doesn't matter. Like, no one knows you as Peak, but get over it, because they will know you. And people saying you use unique ideas, I agree with that. You should always be trying to think of unique ideas. It's really pretty much impossible, but somehow it is. And being unique is hard because the only people that are really going to be watching your videos is your mum and a couple friends if they're good friends. So how do you get 100 subscribers? I don't really condone this over 100 subscribers, but again, it's only 100, so sub for sub. It sounds, anyone that wants to comment how they hate sub for subs, and I should just hate myself, comment, because that gives me interactions on my YouTube channel, so comment, easy. Do sub for sub in my comments, mate, get that going. But trust me, not really that, but approaching people like over Twitter, messaging them, stuff like that, asking if you can check out their channel, maybe subscribe, it'll mean the world to them, all that good stuff. That is pretty much how you do it, just to hit that 100 in 2018, because remember 2018 is very hard to hit subs right now, so you've got to approach people, kind of not really force people, but just let them know that you're available for subscriptions. But again, it's 2018, we don't know anything about YouTube, like if it's going to go up, down, left, right, just completely close forever or start up new. So right now is the time to get as known as possible, if that makes sense, because 1 minute it'll be fine and then
holy fucking shit.
YouTube shuts down. You never know. Anything can happen. It's a brave new world, little lady. But yeah, approach people. Don't ask someone more than once, because then you're just a dickhead. Don't always comment on the same person's video asking sub for sub. Never start it either. I'm just saying, because you'll get hate. But just, if someone says sub for sub, just do it, because again, no one really cares about 100 subscribers. It's so hard to get there, and that's just reality. When you hit 1,000, you realise that 100 and 1,000 is a little stepping stone, but getting to your 100 is the hardest thing. But approach people, do that, and trust me, it will work. Like, I'm not joking, obviously it's going to work. The more people you ask, people want subscribers, so they're going to sub back. But remember, just because you're getting a sub don't mean you're getting a viewer, because sub for sub literally means I'll click sub on yours, you click sub on mine, that's it. You're not doing view for view. They're not going to stay, they're just going to click that button and go. That's why you should only do it to 100, and then just try find your audience. So remember, this is just to 100. If you want to cry about it and be like a little bitch, go ahead, comment on my video, get me some views. That is pretty much it. Keep smashing it, guys. Just keep uploading as well at the same time, obviously. It's just going to increase your chance of getting more subscribers. Yeah, you guys are smashing it as always, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.
It's like we're on the